Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on graphing weather. Kindergarten students can be taught how to interpret weather icons. These are very prevalent in newspapers and on television. They can then be shown how to use a graph to summarize the weather for a given period of time. So the weather icons we will use in this lesson are as follows: sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy and windy. And icons are just little diagrams. The following information shows the state of the weather for a full week. So on Monday it was stormy, Tuesday and Wednesday it was raining, Thursday was cloudy, Friday and Saturday was sunny, so Friday and Saturday were sunny, and Sunday was windy. So the weather for the 7-day week can be graphed as follows. So we just draw the icons here one at a time. We can say what they mean. And one day was stormy, so we just colour that square. As far as rainy, see, you can see 2 days were rainy, so we colour those two. Since one day was cloudy, we just colour there. 2 days were sunny, so there's 2 rectangles coloured in. And only one day was windy. So you can see the graph. It's very colourful, and it's quite easy to recognise that, for example, rain occurred on 2 days and it was also sunny for 2 days. And other questions can be asked about the graph. Students can also be asked to answer questions about weather graphs. Now, you can give them the graph and then they can be asked questions. So the above graph shows a summary of the weather over a 14-day period. Students can be asked questions similar to the following. So for example, it was partly cloudy on 3 days, sunny on 5 days, cloudy on 2, rainy on 2, snowy on 1, and stormy on 1. They could be asked, how many days were sunny? How many days may have needed an umbrella? So this is a good discussion topic. For how many days did we need to wear clothes that would protect us from very cold weather? This would be a great discussion topic. Also, there may be different answers, but as long as students can justify their answer. How many days were the best for swimming? How many different types of weather do we see on the graph? Can you name one other type of weather not shown on the graph? So it's a very useful topic because students see it very often in newspapers and on television, so they need to know something about it.